If you buy in bulk but sell or use smaller units, Unleashed's disassembly feature lets you break down bulk products into smaller units. First, add various units of measure in your system settings and assign them to products. For example, in my jam making business, I buy sugar in a 500 kilogram container but use 10 grams per batch. Instead of adding a very small fraction, I'll disassemble the bulk product into smaller units. Start by creating a new product with a manageable unit, for example, 1 kilogram of sugar, and set up a bill of material to disassemble 500 kilograms into 500 units of 1 kilogram. If I tick this box, Unleashed will automatically disassemble my product into smaller units upon receipt, meaning that whenever I buy in the 500 kilogram product, it will automatically disassemble into the 500 units of the 1 kilogram product. Please note that this does not work for batch or serial tracked products. For batch or serial tracked products, you'll need to manually disassemble after the bulk product's been receipted. Go to Production, select Add Disassembly, and choose the item. Input the disassembly quantity, assign the batch or serial numbers, and complete the process to create the smaller units. Now, when using your bill of material to make jam, you can easily add 0.01 of the new broken down product, ensuring traceability even for small quantities. Thanks for watching.